Vanakkam students, let's start the lesson with the Tirukural. Ennenba ஏனை எழுத்தென்ப இவ்விரண்டும் கண்ணென்ப வாழும் உயிர்க்கு. Numbers plays an important role in our lives. In previous class, we have learnt the sequence which are in GP, common ratios of successive terms and condition to be the GP. And nth term of GP is Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. Students, in this class, I am going to take first n term of the geometric series. Let us consider the sequence R square, AR power 3 up to so on AR power n minus 1. The numbers are n terms of the GP. Now I am going to add these n terms. So plus, I am putting plus in between. Then the series becomes Sn is equal to geometric sequence becomes geometric series. Sum to n terms of a geometric series. A series whose terms are in geometric progression is called geometric series. Sn is equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus up to so on to AR power n minus 1. Now, I am going to multiply R with the both side. This is equation 1. Multiply R by both the side of the expression. R into Sn is equal to multiply R by each and every number. AR plus AR square plus AR cube AR power 4 plus up to so on A into R power n. This is equation 2. Subtract 1 from 2. So, 2 minus 1. Here we get R Sn minus Sn is equal to, all the terms will be cancelling. Remaining is A R power n minus A. The remaining terms are R Sn minus Sn is equal to A R power n minus A. Here Sn is common. So, Sn into R minus 1 is equal to A is common, A into R power n minus 1. On cross multiplying, we get Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Students, we have formula Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. We have 3 cases. Sum to n terms of a GP is Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 when R is greater than, common ratio is greater than 1. Sum to first n terms of a GP is Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R when R is less than 1. Sum to infinite terms of a GP A plus AR plus AR square up to so on is S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Let us move on to the exercise. Exercise 2.8. The first question is, find the sum to first n terms of the GP. 5, minus 3, 5 by 9, minus 27 by 25 goes on. The given information, the first number is A is equal to 5. Second, we have to find common ratio. The formula is T2 by T1. T2 is minus 3 by T1 is 5. So, we have to analyze R, whether R is greater than 1 or less than 1. R is less than 1. Hence, the formula Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. The common ratio of the given sequence is less than 1. Hence, the formula Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Substitute the value in the formula. Sn is equal to, in the place of A, 5. The place of 1 minus r is minus 3 by 5 the whole power n by 1 minus, in the place of r, minus 3 by 5. Minus into minus is plus. So, we have to take LCM. We will get 5. 5 plus 3. 5 into 1 minus minus 3 by 5 the whole power n. 5 plus 3 is 8. The 5 goes to the numerator. So, 5 into 5, 25, 1 minus minus 3 by 5 the whole power n by 8. So, Sn is equal to 25 by 8, 1 minus minus 3 by 5 the whole power n is the answer. Students, we will move on to second sum. The second sum is find the sum of the first 6 terms of the GP 5, 15, 45. What is the given information? The first number is A is equal to 5. We have to find common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to 15 by 5. On cancelling, we get R is equal to 3. Whether we have to check whether R is greater than 1, less than 1 or equal to 1. 3 is greater than 1. So, R is greater than 1. We have formula Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Substitute the values. Here n is equal to, find the 6 terms. So, n is equal to 6. S6 is equal to, in the place of A, put 5 into R 3 power 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. 5 into R power 6, 3 into 6 times. 3 3s are 9, 81, 27, 81, to 729. 729 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. So, S6 is equal to 5 into 729 minus 1 is 728 by 2. On cancelling, we get 5 into 3 times, 6 times, 4 times, multiply 1820. S6 is equal to 1820. Sum of the first 6 term of the GP is 1820. The third sum is find the first term of the GP whose common ratio 5 and whose sum of first 6 term is 46,872. Write the given information first. The given information R is equal to 5. Next, sum to first 6 term. So, S6 is equal to 46,872. To find, what we have to find is first term. To find A is equal to question mark. So, for that we have formula. If R is greater than 1, we have formula Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. where r is greater than 1. Here a we don't know, so write as it is. In the place of r, 5 power n, in the place of n we have to put n is equal to 6 minus 1 by r minus 1 is 5 minus 1 is equal to 46,872. 5 power 6 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 6 times. Five into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 6 times we have to multiply. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 25 25s are 625 into 25. Again we have to multiply. Plus 10, 5, 12. Answer is 15,625. A into 15,625 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 is 4 is equal to 46,872. On cross multiplication, A is equal to 46,872 into 4 by 1 minus subtract பண்ணிக்கோங்க 15,624. Cancel with 4 will get 3 times, 6 times, 9 times, 0, 6. On dividing, we will have 12. So, A is equal to 12. The first term of the GP is 12. The fourth sum is find the sum to infinity of 9 plus 3 plus 1 goes on. We have to write the first, write given information. What is given information? A is equal to 9. The first term A is equal to 9. We have to find common ratio, that is T2 by T1 is equal to T2 in the place of T2 3 by 9. On cancelling we have 1 by 3. R is equal to 1 by 3. S infinite this is lies between minus 1 and plus 1. We have formula S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R, where R is lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So, substitute the values. A is equal to 9. S infinity is equal to 9 by 1 minus 1 by 3, taking LCM we will get 2 by 3, 3 goes to the numerator. So, 3 9s are by 2. S infinity is equal to 3 9s are 27 by 2 is the answer. S infinity is equal to 27 by 2. S infinity is equal to A into 1 minus R. On we substituting we have S infinity is equal to 27 by 2. The fifth sum is if the first term of an infinite GP is 8 and the sum to infinity is 32 by 2, then find the common ratio. Write the given information first. The given is 8. What is 8? The first term of the infinite term. So, A is equal to 8. Then given is S infinity is equal to 32 by 2. To find is common ratio. So, we have the formula S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R, where R is lies between minus 1 and plus 1. In the place of A, 8 by 1 minus r we don't know. So, write as it is equal to the value of S infinity is 32 by 2. Here both the numbers are divisible by 8. So, 1 times 4 times, on cross multiplying we get 1 2s are 2, 4 into 1 minus r. So, 2 is equal to 1 4s are 4 minus 4r. On replacing transformation we will get 4r is equal to 4 minus 2. 4r is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. So, r is equal to 2 by 4, on cancelling 1 by 2. The common ratio of the given sequence is 1 by 2. The common ratio of the given series is r is equal to 1 by 2. The sixth sum is find the sum to n terms of the series 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 and up to n terms. First, we have to write the series 0.4 plus 0.44 plus 0.444 up to n terms. In the this is neither in GP nor in AP. We have to make some adjustment for this. So, first we have to take 4 as common. So, 4 into 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 up to so on n terms. Now, 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. 0.11 can be written as 11 by 100. 0.111 can be written as 111 by 1000. 4 into 1 by 10 plus 11 by 100 plus 111 by 1000 up to so on n terms. Now also the sequence neither in GP nor in AP. So, we have to multiply both denominator and numerator by 9. So, 4 by 9, we have to multiply each numerator into 9. 9 ones are 9 by 10 plus 9 11s are 99 by 100 plus 999 by 1000 up to so on to n terms. 9 by 10 can be written as 9 by 10, 1 minus 1 by 10. If we take LCM, it will become 10 minus 1, which is 9 by 10. So, in the place of 9 by 10, I am going to write 1 minus 1 by 10. In the place of 99 by 100, I am going to write 1 minus 1 by 100. 999 by 1000 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 1000. So, 4 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10, 9 by 10 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 100, 99 by 100 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 100. 999 by 1000 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 1000 up to so on to n terms. Now, we have to arrange the numbers for one separately and the fractions separately. So, 1 by 9, arrange the expression like this: 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms, minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 100 minus 1 by 1000 up to n terms. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, up to so on n times means n. So 4 by 9 is n, minus is taken as common. The expression becomes 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000 up to so on n terms. Here the sequence becomes GP now. The first term is A is equal to 1 by 10, R is equal to T2 by T1, which is 1 by 100 divided by 1 by 10, R is equal to 1 by 10. On cancelling, 1 by 10. So, A is equal to 1 by 10, R also 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is R is less than 1. So, the formula we have Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. The series become Sn is equal to 4 by 9 n minus, in the place of A, 1 by 10, 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n by 1 minus 1 by 10. So, 4 by 9 n minus 1 by 10, 1 minus 1 by 10 power n by 10 minus 1, 9 by 10. 10 is going to numerator, 10 is, this 10 is coming down to denominator. So, 10 will cancel. 4 by 9 n minus 1 by 9 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n, that is it. Remove the bracket, 4 into n, 4n by 9 minus 4 ones are 4, 9 nines are 81, 1 minus 1 by 10 the whole power n. So, here the Sn is equal to, Sn of the given series is, Sn is equal to 4n by 9 minus 4 by 81, 1 minus 1 by 10 the whole power n. Answer. The Sn of the given sequence series, Sn is equal to 4n by 9 minus 4 by 81 into 1 minus 1 by 10 whole power n. The seventh sum is, find the sum of the geometric series 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus up to so on 1536. Write the given information. First term A is equal to 3, R we have to find T2 by T1, T2 is 6 by 3 is equal to 2 times, on cancelling R is equal to 2. So, first we have, next we have to find n is equal to what? Here what, which term of this series is 1536, we do not know. For that we have to apply Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So, first we have to find the value of n, then only we can find the sum. So, first என்ன பண்ணனும்னா, in the place of A, put 3 into R is 2 power n minus 1, we don't know. So, write as it is equal to, the last number is 1536. So, 2 power n minus 1 is equal to, on cross multiplying we will get 1536 by 3. On cancelling we get 512. 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 512. We have to 512 can be should be written in the powers of 2, which is divide by 2, 2 times 5, 56, 1 time 8, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2 power 9. 512 can be written in the powers of 2's is equal to 2 power 9. The bases are same, hence the powers also same. N minus 1 is equal to 9, minus 1 on transformation we get n is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So, n is equal to 10. The 10th term of GP is 1536. Now, we have to find the sum of these. Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, where r is greater than 1. So, here we have to put the values. S10 is equal to A, in the place of A 3, 2 power 10 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, 2 power 10. This is 2 power 9, 512 into 2 is 2 power 10. Sn 3 into 1024 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, denominator is equal to 1. S10 is equal to 3 into 1023. 3 3s are 9, 6, 0, 3. So, S10 sum of the first n terms is 3609. If r is greater than 1, Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. On substituting, we will get Sn is equal to 3069. Students, in this class, we have learnt sum to n terms of the GP. First, sum to n terms of GP, Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. Sum to first n terms of a GP, Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r when r is less than 1. Sum to first term of GP, Sn is equal to Na when r is equal to 1. Finally, we have learnt sum to infinite terms of the GP, A plus AR plus AR square up to so on infinite terms. S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Thank you, students.